PlayStation has done it again with a controller that's as much a collector's piece as it is a gaming tool. Hey GadInsiders, welcome back to your Tech Hub. The new Icon Blue Special Edition DualSense Controller is more than just a splash of color. It's packed with clever details that fans will love. Available in the US, Canada, Mexico, and Chile, this limited edition beauty carries an $84 price tag in the States and has already become a tricky find because of selling out. The controller looks amazing with different shades of blue. The edges are dark, while the inside and joysticks are a lighter blue. The matte finish makes it easy to hold, and the glossy underside of the triggers adds a nice touch that pops during gameplay. But the real fun is in the details. The touchpad features PlayStation's iconic circle, X, square, and triangle buttons etched, so they shimmer differently depending on the light. Flip it over and you'll discover an Easter egg of light blue Katakana characters spelling out PlayStation. With tiny, almost invisible PlayStation icons etched on the back, this controller is more than just a new color. It's full of little details that are fun to notice up close. Hardware-wise, it's your classic DualSense with the haptics, adaptive triggers, and ergonomic design that PS5 players love. What makes it extra special is the combination of vibrant design, clever references, and premium feel. It may not be nostalgic for the 30th anniversary edition, but for those who want a pop of color and a thoughtful design, this controller's the deal. So if you're hunting one down, move fast. The Icon Blue Special Edition DualSense is selling fast, and it won't stick around for long. It's a must-have for collectors and gamers alike. Have you found one already? Tell us in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.